wow, we're going to make some changes. We went away for about a week on the road. As you can see by previous videos, we went up to Sea Lake, around that Charlton, Bendigo region, and the weather wasn't great, but we still had fun. So, but we've worked out that this is not working. So what we were thinking of doing, and the reasons behind what we did, is we weren't sure with our fridge how noisy it was going to be through the night, and the vibration it gives off and anything. We didn't really know much about these type of fridges, but it turns out that you can barely hear it at all. So we're going to move it where we wanted to in the first place, and that's put it beside the bed here. And then that would free up this area for the kitchen, which at the moment you're sitting on the drawers that is our kitchen. So we're thinking about putting it back over here, building a bit of platform there where this is from, and have the fridge here and still have some sitting area. And right where you are, we'll probably build a little seat that'll house some storage. So yeah, we're going to riff it all out. Luckily it's all screwed together, which will make it pretty easy just to whip out, adjust and put back in, I think. Yeah. So what do you think, eh? Leave a comment in the comment section, and we're going to get into changing this around. So I'll just give you a bit of a look and run some ideas through it with you. Okay, so fridge over to here, continue the seating along, remove that storage there and shift our chest of drawers, which I'll move out, our chest of drawers into that corner there, and that will free up a little bit of room. Yeah, we kind of figured that would work better than the drawers. We're also talking about maybe putting up here overhead storage for our clothes and stuff. So we'll probably factor that in as well. Got a repair to do at the back and continue with the doors. Yeah, and then the control panel's still there with the battery monitor and the diesel heater. We'll probably still leave that there. And yeah, anyway, go and have some fun. Hi everyone, have I got a surprise for you? A little update on the van before the end of the year, and I just thought I'll quickly do a quick video and show you our progress. We've given it a coat of paint. And we've shifted a few things around. So we've taken out the big seat that we had across here, and we've shifted the fridge across, and just a little storage compartments and connection for the fridge. And we've actually brought the heater out here, and we've got one under the bed a vent under the bed as well, so should heat the whole van quite well. We've put the kitchen here in this side of the van. We've got our self-closing drawers. Yep. And today I'll be connecting the Max Air fan to the battery, and we hopefully get this up and running. We've put our fire or smoke detector there above the bed, and our gas one is down there. So also, I don't know, we've got the Renogy meter to tell us what the battery's doing, and we've also got the diesel heater fitted.